Welcome back to One to Deploy. I'm your host, Daniel Martin, and today we're diving into a problem that almost nobody is talking about yet, but it is already shaping the way that your analytics data looks. You see, AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity, and even Microsoft's Copilot are becoming the new way that people discover websites. I'm sure you have all done it, even if you don't realize it. Instead of searching on Google, people are asking their AI tool, and sometimes that tool points them to your website or any number of websites. Now, that's great for discovery, but here's the catch. Google Analytics 4, so the platform that most people use for measuring their website activity, has no neat little, quote, AI traffic channel. Right now, those visits get bundled in with referrals, or in some cases even organic search. What that means is your attribution data is skewed. Now, for those of you who are deep into digital marketing, you'll know that really matters because you're tracking where your traffic comes from. You can't then clearly see the impact of AI discovery. But the good news is there is a workaround. And today I'm going to talk you through a step-by-step method for how to filter out AI traffic in Google Analytics 4. Step 1, open GA explorations. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up GA4, Google Analytics 4, on your web browser, whatever web browser you choose to use. Now, I'm saying GA4, basically that these days means Google Analytics. There is no other option. Log into your property. In the left-hand menu, click Explore, and then click Create New Exploration. This is where you're going to then build your own custom segment. Step 2, build a segment for AI tools. So inside that new exploration that you have just created, click Add Segment. Then choose Session Segment, and under Condition, select Source/Medium. Change the match type to, and this is getting a little bit technical here, matches regex, or regex, depending on how you choose to pronounce it. Now here's the important part, and this you're not going to be able to do easily without seeing it on the screen, but I'll read it out at a high level and you'll get the gist of what I'm talking about. You can read in the show notes the exact regex. Here's the important part. Paste in this regex. Open bracket, ChatGPT, pipe OpenAI, pipe Anthropic, pipe DeepSeek, pipe Grok, close parentheses, .com. Pipe again, Gemini, pipe bard.google.com. Pipe again, Perplexity, pipe Claude.ai, pipe again, Copilot.microsoft, pipe edgeservices.bing.com, pipe edge/Copilot. Now, all of that sounds a bit like gobbledygook, but frankly what you're doing there, or in reality what you're doing, is you're saying filter out any referrals that look like they come from these URLs. Now, those URLs are the AI tool sets, and that's what you're looking to filter out. What this string will do is it will capture traffic from ChatGPT that links to your site, Google Gemini, Perplexity search, which is becoming very common because they're doing things that people tell them not to do, Claude's browsing feature, Claude's a wonderful little tool, Bing, Copilot, U.com, Anthropic, and DeepSeek. Now, once you've put that in, hit save, and now you have your first AI traffic segment. Step 3, create 2 segments. For the best analysis, what you want to do is you want to create 2 versions. Version number 1 is the AI tool traffic, which is what we just built. Version number 2 is exclude AI tools. So what this is the opposite filter, which allows you to then look at normal traffic without AI being included. This then lets you toggle back and forth to compare behavior between AI traffic and non-AI traffic. Step 4, analyze the behavior. Once applied, you can start then asking some really interesting questions. For example, how do AI referred visitors behave compared to Google search visitors? Do they bounce faster or do they stick around longer? Are they more likely to convert or less likely to convert? This is where you can start to uncover whether AI tools are sending you quality traffic or just quite simply drive-by clicks. Why this matters. So 2 years ago, this channel didn't even exist. The AI channel didn't exist, but now it's growing fast. And I mean super duper fast. We look at all of our clients' analytics traffic through a number of different tools that we have, and the AI element is just beginning to skyrocket. Modern attribution models aren't accounting for it. If you don't isolate it out, you'll never know the real role that AI discovery is playing in your business. But if you do set it up, then you're going to be ahead of the curve. You can see the impact now before GA4 and the wider industry or your industry segment begin to catch up. So that is how you filter out or isolate AI traffic in GA4. It's not hard, but it is going to become increasingly important as these tools become the new gateway to the web. So your one to deploy for this week is go ahead and do what I just said. The instructions for doing this are on both the Aston Digital website and the show notes for this episode, so you can find out the exact steps there. If you would like help setting it up, or, as is probably more important, interpreting what the results actually mean for your business, get in touch with us at Aston Digital. We can certainly help you do that. Until next time, I'm your host, Daniel Martin. This has been One to Deploy, and think sharp, build bold, one to deploy.